Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a paid subscription or a free trial on your iPhone. Let's get started. Go to settings on your iPhone. In here, tap on your name at the top of the screen, and right here go to subscriptions. Here you will find all the active subscriptions at the top and all the inactive ones at the bottom. The only subscription that gets renewed is this YouTube Premium, and it renews on 28th May for 47.99. So let's try to cancel that. Just tap on it. This is a free trial that will get renewed on 28th May. To cancel this, just tap on cancel free trial and it says confirm cancellation. If you end your trial now, you will still have access to it until 28th May 2024. Tap on confirm. The subscription is now cancelled. So if you go back to subscriptions, you will still find this under active subscriptions. That's because you still have access to the benefits. It will expire on 28th May and it shows in red color, which means it will not be renewed. Once you cancel a subscription, that will be cancelled on other devices that are sharing the same Apple ID as well. It will also be cancelled from the family sharing. So that's how you cancel a subscription or a free trial. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please drop a comment below and please subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video.